Hi, friends. It's Donzella from Miss Donzella Cooks, and I hope you all are having a blessed day. Today, my day is starting out very well, and you're probably wondering what we're going to do today. Today is barbecue season is upon us because it's summer. People like to pull out the grill. Also, the 4th of July holiday is coming up, so I decided that we could make our own homemade barbecue sauce. Now, you can make this barbecue sauce with what you have in your pantry, and 9 times out of 10, everything I have here you already have in your pantry. This will save you money from buying the store-bought barbecue sauce. Some of those barbecue sauces are wonderful, but there's a lot of ingredients that you don't necessarily have to have in your barbecue sauce. So today we'll start out making some barbecue sauce, whether you're barbecuing on the grill or barbecuing in the oven. This is a wonderful sauce, simple and easy to make. And if you like uh, simple, easy, budget-friendly recipes, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. If you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up, share the video. But and I thank you now for joining me in my kitchen, taking time out of your day. So we're going to start out here with 1 cup of ketchup. I'm going to put a little water in here. And then we're going to have got some plain apple cider vinegar, and let's put in about 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar. Normally I don't measure things like this, but for this video I'm measuring for those of you that have never made your own barbecue sauce. And you can add more or less to this as you like. You have to taste it as you go along. Then we're going to add a tablespoon of this Worcestershire sauce. And once you make this, you'll learn to do this probably without having to measure any of this. So I'm also going to use a teaspoon of this smoked paprika. This is not regular paprika. This is smoked paprika. So it has a little smoky flavor to it. So put a teaspoon of that in there. And then we will add a couple tablespoons of brown sugar. I've already measured this out. This is just regular. I'm using dark brown sugar. It's regular dark brown sugar. And we're going to use a tablespoon of honey. This is going to be more like a smoked honey barbecue sauce. We'll just pour a tablespoon of honey in there like that. This is regular raw honey. None of this is special. You probably already have, like I said, all of this already in your cupboard. So let's add, let me see, I've got some, we want to add a teaspoon of onion powder. It's regular onion powder. And we're going to add a teaspoon of garlic powder. And we want to add maybe a little bit, not too much black pepper. And if you like this spicy, friends, you can add some pepper flakes in there. I'm not making this spicy. I'm going to add about a half a teaspoon of black pepper in there. Okay. And then we need some mustard. You can use dry mustard, regular mustard. I'm just using some regular Dijon mustard. I just happen to like it. And we're going to use a teaspoon, about a half a teaspoon of this. There we go. And we are also going to add what's going to make this smoky is this liquid smoke. They have different brands. I'm using this Stubbs liquid smoke, but I'm not promoting this product. I have no affiliation with this product. I just like to use it. So we're going to use about a teaspoon of that. Oops, a little bit more does not hurt. Okay, friends, I'm going to get this all stirred up. Excuse me, friends. Powder got in my throat. Let me get some water here. Okay, now that's better. So we'll mix all this together. This is going to give you about maybe a cup and a half of barbecue sauce. And so you want to put this on medium-low heat, and you want to simmer this for about 10 or 15 minutes. I'm going to taste this now to see if I have enough seasoning in here. Okay. Now, that was my taste test. So far, I'm happy with the results, but I like a little more spice, so I'm just going to add a little bit more garlic powder. That was onion powder, a little more garlic powder and onion powder, both. I'm going to add a tad bit more of my liquid smoke. And this is how you adjust you taste it and then adjust it to your liking. I don't need any more sugar or honey in here. It's sweet enough. And I'm going to add a little bit more of this smoked paprika. And you mix this together. And you want to cook this about 10 or 15 minutes, friends. And once it is all prepared and you're satisfied with the flavor, you can keep this in the refrigerator for up to about a week or even a little bit longer and store it the way I store mine. I will I'm going to add just a little bit of water to this. This is the same measuring cup I used for my ketchup. So just add a little bit more water here. Now after I added that water, I'm going to taste it just a little bit more. See what we got. Now, that's perfect. And this is just an easy, simple, homemade barbecue sauce you make yourself with ingredients that you already have in your pantry. And again, friends, we made this with a cup of ketchup and some apple cider vinegar. We used some honey. We used dark brown sugar. We had Worcestershire sauce in here. A little mustard, Dijon mustard is what I used. A little hickory smoke, liquid smoke, and your onion powder, and some black pepper. That's pretty much it. And you have your barbecue sauce. It's much cheaper than buying the jarred sauces. And like I said, everything I used here, you already have in your pantry. So you cook this for 10 or 15 minutes, friends. And I'm going to pour this in my jar that I used. See, we'll get about, actually it came out to about a cup. I got a cup back, a little bit more than a cup. Okay. And I'm going to store this in a mason jar, friends. I'll be right back. And I will store this a mason jar. And here, friends, we have our homemade barbecue sauce. Simple, easy to follow recipe. Make your own. It's much cheaper. You know exactly what ingredients you have in your sauce. You can use this on your ribs, your chicken, pork chops, even dip it in onion rings. Anything that you use that you like barbecue sauce, this is it. And I hope you enjoyed this video, friends. And like I said, if you like easy, budget friendly recipes like this, subscribe to my channel. And I'd love for you to join me in my kitchen. And I hope you have a blessed day and a safe holiday. Okay, friends, thank you very much for spending your time with me. I enjoyed having you in my kitchen. And then this is Donzella from Miss Donzella Cooks. And today we made homemade barbecue sauce for your upcoming summer barbecues and the upcoming 4th of July holiday. Have a blessed day, friends.